Your default Tovuti homepage comes complete with pictures, but unless you run a photography business, you will probably want to change them out. Let's start with the pictures that scroll across the top of the page. This is called a slider. Sliders are cool because it gives you an opportunity to show off more of your brand and it makes your homepage feel more dynamic. First, let's get rid of the pictures that are in the default slideshow. To do this, go into your administrator dashboard, click the configuration drop-down, and then select landing pages. Now click on your page. From here, go to the header tab and scroll almost to the bottom of the page. These are some of the toggles and options for slides. Now let's get rid of the default pictures. You do this by clicking on the Select menu next to the Slides option. A box will open up, and go ahead and click on all 4 of the minus signs to get rid of the pictures. Then press Save. While we are here, we should probably delete the quote in the slider overlay. You can come back and add text that will cover the bottom of your slider using this feature later though if you want to. Now it's time to add your own pictures. To do this, go to the Slideshow tab. The menu that comes up has a lot of cool stuff on it, but let's start by uploading a picture. You do that by clicking Select, then the Upload button, and then dragging your picture file to the designated area, and then pressing Upload in the bottom right corner of the box. You will now see your picture file appear in the File menu, and now you click Insert. To add more pictures, just click the plus button again and repeat the process. It's a good idea to only have 4 or 5 images on your slider, because if there are more than that, your users may never see them. Now let's change the 3 pictures toward the middle of the page. Each Tovuti homepage is broken into 5 zones, and the 3 pictures here are located in Zone 2. So click on the Zone 2 tab, and then click the Select button next to Columns Content. A pop-up will open, and you can see the 3 images in the far left column. To change each one, click on Select, and then either navigate to or upload a new image of your choice. After selecting the desired image, click Update. Remember to save your work occasionally. Now if you click Preview Design, you can see the changes you have made to your page. Let's go ahead and change one more thing, and that's the background image that displays at the bottom of the page behind the 2 YouTube videos. To change this, go back to the Homepage Editor and click on the Zone 3 tab. Now locate the background image option and then click Select to replace that image with your desired image. And after you're finished, click Save. We will worry about changing the 2 videos a little later. Once you get the hang of uploading and choosing new images, you can add all sorts of pictures to your site. Have fun!